What's up everybody, I'm Lexi. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to prep the acrylic and a natural nail for a proper fill. I'm going to be finishing this set with the teal jelly puppy wraps, so let's get to it. So when it comes to a fill, sometimes it might seem like we don't really need it. This is a 2-week growth. We're going to remove the color and we're going to see what we have underneath. So we're going to push the cuticle back. So I know that yesterday you said that it was a little tiny growth. This is a lot of growth. So with the color, sometimes we can't see there's lifting, but I know you touch a lot of water. Now that we have removed the gel, we grab the file and put it on an angle. Now we're going to balance the natural nail with the acrylic nail. We are going to clean up the new growth area and balance out her natural nail with the acrylic nail without hurting or damaging her natural nail or making any kind of ridge on the natural nail. So we're going to be real careful and we're going to buff the new growth with the acrylic very lightly. And bring down the acrylic. So how do you know how much to remove? You'll see a white strip line that separates both, and you're just gonna balance it out by removing it lightly until it seems like that it's one nail. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the cuticle. We're applying primer only on the new growth. Okay, so now we're gonna push the cuticle back and we're gonna grab the nail file in an angle to give it that shape. So we applied nail cleanser to clean out the acrylic nail. So there's no dust, no oils on it. And we're gonna go with a teal jelly. So we are done with this awesome jelly set. It is really cute and she has 2 puppies right here. I am loving them. They look amazing.